Hey friends, if you wish to fix the SrtTrail txt error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. So this error occurs while you're trying to reset your computer but are unable to do so. In this situation, the first solution will be a check disk scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk space/r space/f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space/scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane. Select services. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. And the last solution is system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Choose a good restore point. Select next. Choose a good restore point. Click on next, finish, and then finally click on yes to initiate the system restore process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.